Hello there. I am one of you. I am searching online to learn some professional skills which can help me build a career.
Get CCTV training and become a qualified CCTV expert and get a job or start your own business.
Sounds good. But where?
Join Spy Eye CCTV training and learn from the experts. Spy Eye is working in the CCTV industry for the last 20 years. We have experienced faculties. We offer basic to advanced training, theory with on-field practical training. Spy Eye offers complete training in analog and IP CCTV cameras. We will teach you all about CCTV cabling, installations, and troubleshootings. Moreover, while training you will also get to work at real sites. So what are you waiting for? Join now. We have limited seats per batch. Call 700-3698-401 or log in at www.spyieindia.com/cctv-training.
Wow. That is a good career choice. Either I can do a job or start my own business. I am planning to join. What about you?